All right, guys, we are very, very excited today to present to you Carlos's new haircut.
Hi.
Oh my God.
It almost looks as good as Gabe Cruz's hair.
Yeah,
and Fetty Potter.
I can't up that one.
So today we're gonna open this thing, which is a smile or a frown or a smile.
It's more of a grin than a smile. Oh no.
Oh no! Stupid skate, stupid skate, it's wooden sandals, stupid skate. I don't even know what these are, guys. But I'm just gonna go ahead and apologize in advance.
Ew.
What kind of wood is this?
They smell like
Sandals wood?
glue,
Smells
actually.
like lacquer, huh?
Look at that heel flip, though. I don't know that we want Fetty to take his shoes off and slide his feet into there.
I'll keep my socks on.
What do you think, Fetty?
Oh my. I wish you had another pair just to be able to clap with them.
My
Yeah.
chanclas. Mine's already broken.
No, it's not. What? Fetty?
How do you break everything?
I'm at a
Literally.
disadvantage.
Okay, put that on.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Stay on, dude.
Don't tell him.
Are you?
And coming April 7th at the Braille House party, where Andy Schrock and Brian Ames will be in attendance, we will release our spring line. Look at that Golden Gate Bridge. Oh, and it's also Gabe Cruz's birthday, right? Gabe Cruz birthday party, what?
I feel like Michael Jackson. My chanclas.
I'm 2 inches taller, so that's pretty good.
I mean, this series is technically called Stupid Skate, but I think that this should be Smart Skate,
Oh yeah, this is definitely the smartest thing we've ever done.
because this is just smart.
Appreciate the sarcasm.
It's not sarcasm. All right, guys,
I've
we
never
have
heard anything more serious, Carlos.
Fetty McPotterson, Carlos Lastra,
Cthulhu.
the evil Lord Cthulhu. I was thinking we're gonna do the best 5 out of 7 rounds, no repeat tricks.
I don't even know if I could get 5 tricks.
No. Well, I guess we'll just see how this goes with 1 round of skate,
No
which
repeat
is
tricks.
stupid, on the sandals. But first I need to know, how do those feel?
They're all right. I mean, they're not as bad as they look.
Really? So you think you can kickflip that?
I'm gonna try.
Really?
Let's just get started. It's gonna be fun.
Should we make a bet on who's gonna win this?
Yeah,
Maybe
let's go.
it might be part of...
I got Fetty on this one.
You do?
I do.
Okay, good, because I got the evil Lord Kratos.
You got the evil Lord?
Yeah, I'll tell you why.
Why?
He feels no pain. He could jump off the Braille Drop and hit his face on the ground and get back up and be like, whoa, FP insoles for your face.
Did you not see Fetty when you were filming the Ninja Shoes game of skate? He
No, I
landed
didn't.
primo so many times.
That's true.
Didn't even phase
Yeah,
him.
but look at him, he just fell over.
All right, bets have been made. Rochambeau.
Where are we? Braille House. Uh-oh.
Yes, Carlos.
Okay, this is gonna be a long game.
The evil Lord misses on an ollie! Smart trick choice, though. I bet you Cthulhu's gonna get that.
Well done.
What a fire back.
Wow. Wow. Well done, Underlord. Yes. Yes, Fetty.
Well, they're clean out of tricks. We're gonna have to call it a tie.
No. No. How do they feel, Fetty?
They're difficult because it's hard to keep them on. You gotta climp your toes together, you know? Like,
Climp your toes
You
together.
gotta climp them, you gotta like grab them.
I'm calling backside 180.
Just wait on it, Kyro.
Whoa!
What is about to that? He almost credit carded right up the front side, if you know what I mean.
Oh no. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
My favorite thing is how wobbly their ankles are. They bend down and they're like that.
Look like baby deers.
That
dude.
reminded me of that video where that guy punched the kangaroo. I would have given it to him.
Okay, never mind. It's good then. It's good then.
I mean, it's like Fetty's ultimate, like, he's playing dirty.
All right.
And we appreciate that. Yeah, there you go.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
I'm on offense, Gabe. Come on.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Well done.
I guess we'll count it. What do you think?
It was better than the fakey ollie.
He said what? I think we'll take it.
Yep, Troy.
Wait. Carlos, you are wearing your socks inside out.
I didn't realize I needed to be here early, so I left the house in a rush.
Whoa.
I'm learning the technique on how to hit the escape route on him.
Oh, no.
Oh, I hurt my wrist.
I thought the whole Braille house shook a little bit.
I honestly felt the ground shake.
115 pounds hitting the ground. Look at that flick.
Amazing.
You have to like put your toes down, because if you leave them loose, the shoes just slip off, dude.
Whoa.
Simon Woodstock? Okay, I'm gonna say we're gonna count the kickflip. Oh wait,
No,
his
his
hand
hand
went down.
touched.
No go, no count it.
Oh!
Wow.
Wow!
I think after this, we'll put the rail out and you'll jump off and slide like soap shoes. Soap shoes? What are we doing?
Oh no! Whoa!
Shoes are still on.
Oh!
My hand keeps touching, dude.
I wish you got that.
Part of me wants to give him a rebate. Nah.
You do?
I'm gonna give you a rebate.
Yeah, because if you land just a little bit there, you're done. If you land a little bit too far, just perfect.
Oh no. Oh! I told you. I told you.
Playing the shove it game here.
Shove it game. Watch this kick flip after he lands this and show the
Get out
defense.
of here. Get out of here, Kyro.
Fetty's always looking at me. Fetty was like, just staring straight at me.
Yes, Fetty. Oh!
It's two.
Oh no! Oh god!
I don't know what happened, but my stomach didn't like it.
Oh yeah! Uh-oh.
Dang it.
Damage report.
What are we gonna do now?
I don't know.
Aaron, we have a problem.
Oh, so you basically just want me to fix this. So here we are, Mr. Fix It. I got this, no problem. See? All right, Los, I think we got you here. If this doesn't hold up, I don't know what will.
Very smart. Oh,
Yeah.
how is that not gonna
How
hold?
is that, Los? Oh, yeah, well, you pull really hard on it, anything's gonna break.
What is that?
All right.
That'll hold for now.
You got
Wow.
You got some flair.
What
on
an
yours.
exceptional handling. Wow.
Oh, wow.
That was incredibly steezy.
Uh-oh.
I've never seen Kralos lose anything. He actually tried it.
This is A.
Is your toe okay?
Yeah, it's scraped all right here. Look at
An Ollie North sandal flick?
I guess so.
No, look at that. Maybe like this? Maybe like, oh yeah, there you go. There you guys are really thinking.
Camaraderie. No!
Yeah, dude, I'm breaking everything.
Are you serious?
I lend you my shoe, and you break it.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Staples? It's okay. Play it where it lies. I mean, I think we're good on this.
Oh! That's my dog! You have one more try, Lestroni. Underlord Carlo Kralos. Oh! Yes! Yes! I was right!
You won. Well done. Well played. What a show.
Well played.
What
Well
a
played.
show. All right, guys, well, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys had an idea for Stupid Skate, please leave it in the comments below. We like to read the comments. We like to see what you guys want us to skate on. I mean, I think that both of you...
We don't have shoes anymore.
Both of you are winners just for still having feet attached to your legs.
Yes.
Well played, gentlemans. All right, guys, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please check out all the other videos in the playlist. There is a huge playlist with tons of videos, and if you're not subscribed already, click that subscribe button, like, leave that comment below.